The project is a 3-year project. It's 6 months in at the moment, and it's looking at independently assessing the role of cover crops, of which biofumigants are a cover crop, and it's looking at their impact and what they do within rotational vegetable systems. The aim of the project is to assess the science behind the usage of biofumigants. So it's making use of our field site at Forthside. It's assessing the impacts of growing cover crops over the winter period. Traditionally, farmers may leave their soil fallow over the winter period, so we're comparing a fallow treatment with a ryegrass versus a biofumigant, and looking at some of the benefits from planting these types of crops. One of the key things from this trial site is that historically it's been used as a biofumigant and or green manure site for over 10 years. So within Australia that's quite important. There's not a lot of sites that have had biofumigants and or cover crops for that type of time period. It makes it a useful scientific tool, particularly if we want to measure some of the benefits that come from these sites. Some of the benefits only occur over a longer time period. After we've grown these over the winter period, we then see what happens in a subsequent crop, and that will be our commercial crop that we grow over the spring, summertime. Evidence from the first year of trials indicates that we see some benefits. In terms of soil properties, we're seeing better soil structure, so better physical properties within the soil. We also see better levels of organic matter coming out of the soil that's been treated with a biofumigant and or a perennial ryegrass compared to one that's been left fallow over the winter period. We've got data indicating that we're getting a small advantage, a 2 or 3% increase in marketable yield from the carrot crop we had that was grown following a biofumigant compared to that that followed a fallow treatment. So we're getting yield impacts which will result in an economic benefit to the farmer or grower. We also see the benefit to the farmer in terms of looking after their soils from a sustainable perspective. Including a biofumigant is one way of helping to sustain those intensive systems.